Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Slack tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to delete a channel on Slack, and it's pretty simple. I open Slack and right click on the channel I want to delete. But here is only an option for leaving a channel. That's not the right thing to do because when I leave the channel, it's still there. You can see that because when I browse for this channel, I can just join it again. So I right-click on the channel again and click on Additional Options. And right at the bottom, I find the item Delete this channel. I have to confirm this message, and now I can delete this channel. I will test this again, but when I browse for this channel, it's no longer there. And that's how easy it is to delete a Slack channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.